In today's video, I'm going to teach you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track fixed assets for your clients using QuickBooks Online Accountant. Quick note up front, there isn't a separate fixed asset module in QuickBooks Online Accountant. You'll manage fixed assets right inside the client's company file by using the chart of accounts and a few well-placed journal entries. It's straightforward once you see the flow. Start by opening the client's books. Log into QuickBooks Online Accountant, head to your clients list, find the client you're working on, and click their name to open their QuickBooks company file. Everything we do from here happens inside that file. Next, create a fixed asset account so you have a proper place to store the asset's cost on the balance sheet. Go to Accounting, then Chart of Accounts, and click New. For account type, choose Fixed Assets. For detail type, pick the category that best describes the asset, like machinery and equipment, vehicles, or furniture and fixtures. Give the account a clear name that matches the asset or asset category, then save. Clear naming helps you keep multiple assets organized and easy to report on later. Now, record the asset purchase. Click the plus New button. If the asset was paid for right away, choose Expense or Check. If it's being paid later, choose Bill. In the Category field, select the fixed asset account you just created. Then enter the full purchase amount. Save the transaction. This posts the asset to the balance sheet at its cost, which is the foundation for calculating depreciation and tracking book value over time. To capture ongoing wear and tear, set up an accumulated depreciation account. Go back to the chart of accounts and click New. Choose fixed assets as the account type and accumulated depreciation as the detail type. Name it something like Accumulated Depreciation, Equipment, and save. This is a contra asset account that reduces the asset's carrying value without changing the original cost. When it's time to book depreciation, click plus New and choose Journal Entry. Debit Depreciation, Expense and credit the accumulated depreciation account you just created. Enter the monthly or yearly depreciation amount based on your schedule, then save. This keeps your financial statements accurate and your net book value up to date. Finally, review your results. Go to Reports and open the balance sheet. You should see the original asset cost, the accumulated depreciation, and the net book value reflected correctly. That's all there is to it. Fixed assets in QuickBooks Online Accountant are tracked with fixed asset accounts, accumulated depreciation accounts, and journal entries for depreciation. Simple, clean, accurate.